Hello everyone, my name is Noura and welcome to my craft room. In this video, I'm going to show you a very resourceful place where you can find high quality and unique designs to elevate your craft projects. That place is MasterBundles.com. They offer a wide variety of affordable designs, including graphics, templates, fonts, and more. Their designs are handpicked and curated by industry professionals to ensure they meet the highest standards of quality and uniqueness. Whether you are a crafter and want to make a t-shirt, a mug, or even stickers, or you're a business owner that wants business tools to help grow your business, MasterBundles has it all. You can find a wide range of designs, patterns, fonts, and illustrations that will give your crafts a professional touch and make them stand out. Not just that, they even have a very useful blog that can benefit you a lot. Their website is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it easy for you to find and purchase the perfect bundle for your craft project. Plus, with new designs added regularly, you'll always have access to the latest design trends and resources. Once you've found the perfect design, purchasing is a breeze. Simply add the bundle to your cart and proceed to checkout. You can pay securely with your credit card or PayPal, so let's go and buy a cool design and start crafting. Alright, so now I'm going to log in so that I can show you how to purchase a design. If you're not already signed up, just click on sign up, fill in your details, and create an account. You can also sign up with Google or with Facebook. So let me go ahead and log in. You can be a vendor where you can sell your designs. There's also partner marketing cabinet where you can be an affiliate for MasterBundles, or you can be a buyer where you're just buying designs. All right, so now what I'm looking for is something for Valentine's. So I'm going to search Valentine's. And I'm just going to go through the designs and choose something that strikes me as interesting or something that I want to work with. Also, notice that they have freebies, so you can also download free designs. I'm going to look at products, so I'm going to click on Show More Results. And I'm just going to scroll and see if there's anything that I want to work with. You click on Load More, and it's going to load more designs. All right, so once you choose your design, you are going to come to the page of the design. Now there is different licenses for the type of use that you're going to be using. So if it's personal, you're using it just to create one physical or digital product, or non-commercial use, this one is going to be for $10. And so on. They explain to you here what each price and license is for. So everything is laid out there for you, very easy, very simple to use. You can also see all the images here. They show you exactly how you can use it. And of course, you're not limited to this. You can use these in mugs, you can use them in keychains, you can use them, it's completely up to you. All right, so let's go ahead and purchase this design. I'm going to be using it for personal use. I'm going to be using my PayPal account, so click on that. Now automatically you're going to be redirected to the PayPal page. You log in here, and I'm sure you know the steps from here. I'm going to have to blur out some information for security reasons, and I will show you once we get the design. Once you are done with the PayPal payment, you'll be redirected to this page. Click on Back to Site and go to your account and your buyer's cabinet. And here you're going to find the digital file that you bought. So let's download this. And as you can see, it's over here on a zip file. So let me just show you one thing as well. They mention to you on each listing what file type you're going to be receiving, your file size, and a few notes about the design. All right, and once you unzip the file depends on whether you're using Mac or Windows. I'm using Windows, and therefore I'm using the application called WinRAR. So that's how I unzip my files. They are very neatly organized. Once you click on each folder, it's going to show you all the file types that are available for each and every of these designs that we bought. All right, so let's go ahead and start crafting. I'm going to choose one of these, and we're going to be making a cute mug, and we're going to be using adhesive vinyl. All right, so once we've unzipped the files, now I know that the image that I want to use is on folder number 8. So this is the image I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using this on a mug. As you can see, you have all of these file types that you can use, and in Cricut Design Space you can upload SVG files, you can upload PNG files or JPEG files. So now I'm going to be uploading the SVG file because I want these pieces to be separate so that I can change the colors according to the design that I want. Now let's go to Cricut Design Space. I'm going to click on New Project and click on Upload, Upload Image, Browse, and go to the folder where the images are. I want folder number 8 and uploading the SVG file. Click on Open. Simple as that. Here's our design. Click on Upload. Choose the design. Click on Add to Canvas. And there you go. As you can see, all the layers are here separated, so you have full freedom to change colors and everything. Of course, in Design Space, when you're changing the color, it's just for visualization purposes. You're going to be choosing the vinyl to cut on. Now, let's resize this to the size of my mug. I think I'm going to do 3 inches. I think that's about enough. All right, let me zoom in now. I'm not sure if the colors I'm going to use just yet, but we will see. All right, so let's prepare this file for cutting. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup all of this. Now, if you look here in the layers panel, if you can see the word shine, it is individual letters. Now, had we uploaded the PNG, you could have gone ahead and cut that and it'll cut all in one piece. But because this is an SVG file, which is an editable open file, if I send this to cut right now, it's going to cut these separately. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose all of these. Let me remove this aside. Okay, let me ungroup this. There we go. So I'm going to click on Combine and I'm going to Unite. Now by clicking on Unite, you can come and undo this if you want to change, let's say you want to remove these or you want to change the color. So I'm going to click on Unite. Now it's just one word. It's going to cut all seamlessly without cutting the letters in between. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for this part. Combine and Unite. Usually this matters only when it's sort of like a cursive type of font. Okay, now I think I'm going to do this in gold. Let's just choose this color. There we go. So let's just leave it this way. Click on Make It. I'm going to be cutting on my Joy, and I think I'm going to be cutting on a matte, so confirm. All right, so it's going to separate for you the two colors, your gold and your red. Okay, let's click on Continue and make sure your Joy is plugged in and ready to go. All right, so let's start cutting our design. I'm going to start with the golden shimmery bit. and just feed it into your machine. So once we are done weeding, we are going to bring our blank, and what I'm going to do is I have some alcohol here, just rubbing alcohol that I wipe down whatever surface that you are putting your vinyl on. This way it adheres properly and it lasts longer, and it removes all the oils and dirt, anything that is laying on the surface. So let's just give this a couple of sprays and give it a wipe. Okay, all right, I just have this thing here to place my mug so that I can put the design. Now let me get my transfer tape. You have to burnish from both sides. This is a textured vinyl, it's shimmer vinyl, so it needs strong grip transfer paper, and it needs a little bit of elbow grease. All right, let's hope this did it for us. Yes. All right, okay, let me just separate them because I need space in between. Give it a little scrape. And remove. All right, let me take the two hearts. Okay, let's do the last piece. And press down. So here is the final design, you guys. I hope you liked this tutorial and I hope you grab these amazing designs from MasterBundles.com. Thank you for watching and stay crafty.